Kwa majina naitwa Mosoti Denis, kiongozi wa vijana katika jimbo letu la Kisii. Naomba kuzungumzia haswa mambo ambayo yamechibuka katika siku ya leo, kuona hasa wakati Mheshimiwa Raila Amolo Odinga ambaye ni opposition leader ama kiongozi wa Azimio, wakati wamekutana na Mheshimiwa Ruto KICC kutoa rasmi ama kuweka sahihi kwa kutengeneza chopo kasi ya kutengeneza IEBC. Nimeona watu viongozi kutoka tabaka mbalimbali wameanza kuzungumzia jinsi ambavyo Mheshimiwa Raila Amolo Odinga ameenda kinyume na Azimio ama kwenda kuweka sahihi ama kukutana na ama kujiunga pamoja na Mheshimiwa William Ruto. I want to talk about the issue of the dialogue that the Gen Z have been raising. They don't want dialogue because Gen Z, they are leaderless, they are fearless, they are partyless. They have been against all through about the dialogue and the discussion. Because the President William Ruto, he has been lying to the Kenyans. When it's not lying, it's flying. And that is why Gen Z stated clearly on their manifesto or in their conversation that they don't want dialogue. The only thing I can spearhead as the youth president from Kisii County, that if the president and Raila Amolo Odinga, what they could do is to act. We are against the dialogue. We are against the discussion because the discussion, it will take time, and the discussion, the lies will be in between there. We shall have a corridor of lies. The only thing that we are requesting, because those grievances that the Gen Z have given out, they are very clear. To deal with the issues with corruption, to disband the cabinet, to disband the head of parastatals, and to deal with those members of parliament who have been sabotaging the exercise or the sabotaging the services of this country. So what we are discussing or what we are talking about as the young people, we want the president to act as soon as now. Raila Amolo Odinga hakora rero ntogote babutambi ngaraira akisema left, akisema right ni right, akisema turare chini tunarara chini. Hiyo ndio imekuwa slogan yetu all through. So abarai balimura babo matakarua babo Eugene Wamarwa bako castigate Raila Amolo Odinga na barai bandi bepati ODM ngaraira ambo bakora Raila tanya gokora bo bikende yonsi pikoru kare. Raila na kwanetie omusiko koruku Moi kere barwanete seginere. Raila agakwani omusiko koruku Mwai Kibaki, agakwani omusiko koruku Uhuru Kenyatta. Magoso kiare gokora ekera gukwani omusike Ruto asogo save country ya Kenya goetera mangana crisis. Abantu baito abasaya bakwete. Abaibori babo bakubina mpaka bono iga. Amali abantu asalikire through demonstration. The only thing kera nyare kore to moremba since itu ya Kenya ne kero grievances chensi ya ruru abarai bali bakita upon them so that tumanya gosuka gosyo une nation. Igo abarai be party ya ODM Raila nere natete kungu mukono ne serikali kogenda AU. Igo goikanera subscribe nera le to morembe baumerane na Ruto meto already bono ne president. This is the 2 years down the line. Tuancha na irete chikura no nyonyonze le tioko boko. So wikatole merali munaba sai gosebu n'insi yetu ya Kenya gosebu na Azimio elinde Raila waikaranze nere bale kuminyokani na Ruto buna president or co-president elinde bale tomorembe asinsi yetu ya Kenya.